All right. So now let's actually get the actual stretch, the squash and stretch mechanism working. And, to really drive home what that is, the squash and stretch is really just manipulating the scale of the object. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I just drop a sphere here, and let me drop a transform. Okay. All we're going to be doing here is if I hit E to just use the transform, actually, to make this really easy to understand and more accurate to what we're going to be doing, I'll put that right on the floor, which basically just sets my pivot of the transform. All we're going to be doing here is manipulating the scale values of the X, Y, and Z. Specifically on the Y, this is going to be basically the value between our top and our bottom node. That's the stretch. And the squash is actually going to be the scale on the XZ plane. So that's the squash, right? And you'll notice over here, so if I take the scale of, well, actually let's set it to 1 on the Y, the X and Z scale numbers are going to be the same, and that's going to give us our squash and stretch. And the Y, again, is giving us our stretch. So sorry, X and Z squash, both in and out, and the Y is going to be our stretch.